Welcome. If you're using Dropbox on your mobile device, you might have noticed the manual upload pop-up notifications popping up at times when you don't want them to. These alerts can be helpful, but also a bit distracting if you prefer a quieter phone experience. Today I'm going to show you how to disable those manual upload pop-up notifications in just a few easy steps. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where you manage all your app permissions and notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps or Applications, depending on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, scroll through your apps and find Dropbox. Tap on Dropbox to open the app-specific settings. Now you're going to adjust the notification preferences within Dropbox. Tap on Notifications here. This will bring you to a detailed menu where you control the types of alerts Dropbox can send you. Within Notifications, look for a section called Notification Categories. This is where different kinds of notifications for Dropbox are grouped. Tap on Notification Categories to see all the available options. Among these categories, you will find one labeled Manual Uploads. Select Manual Uploads, and this is where the magic happens. On this screen, you will see several toggles, one of which is Show as Pop-up. This toggle controls whether or not manual upload notifications appear as pop-up alerts on your screen. Simply toggle this option off. That's it. By turning off Show as Pop-up for manual uploads, your Dropbox manual upload notifications will no longer interrupt your screen with pop-up alerts. You'll still receive notifications in your notification shade, but they will stay quieter and less intrusive. So next time you're working or just want fewer distractions from Dropbox, just follow these simple steps and you're all set for a smoother mobile experience. Thanks for watching.